Hi everyone, welcome back to Zoonitoons Art. Today's video is all about one of the most powerful and legendary anime heroes of all time, Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Grab your pencils, markers, or crayons because we're going to draw and color not just one, but two awesome Goku poses. One calm and focused, and the other full of energy and ready for battle. Let's power up and get started. Let's begin with the first Goku pose. He's standing tall, arms crossed with a serious look on his face. Start by drawing the basic shape of the face. Add his determined eyes, eyebrows slanted down in focus, and his classic spiky hair going in every direction. Goku has a sharp chin and a strong jawline. Make sure you give him that fierce look. Now draw his muscular arms crossed over his chest. Add detail to his fingers and then sketch out his GI. That's his orange and blue outfit. His shoulders are wide and his stance is powerful but calm, like he's waiting for a challenge. You can even sketch lightning bolts or aura effects around him, just like in the show. This is the calm before the storm. Now let's bring him to life with color. Color his hair jet black, sharp and full of energy, even when he's not moving. Use orange for his main outfit, blue for the undershirt and wristbands, and a yellow tone for his skin. This version of Goku shows strength, control, and confidence. Looking awesome. Step 3. Drawing Goku powering up. Time to draw the second version of Goku. Now he's getting ready to unleash his power. Start with the face again. But this time, his mouth is open, like he's shouting or powering up. Add more intense lines around his eyes to show that burst of power. His hair is still spiky, but looks even wilder in this pose. Now draw his body in a dynamic action pose. Arms down, fists tight, and energy crackling all around. You can even sketch lightning bolts or aura effects around him, just like in the show. His fists are clenched, his knees bent, and you can almost feel the energy charging up around him. Step 4. Coloring Goku powering up. Let's color this Goku version too. Same bright orange and blue outfit, but feel free to make the aura around him light blue or white to show the energy charge. Make his fists glow or add shadows to show how intense the moment is. This is Goku at his most powerful. Wow, look at that! 2 versions of Goku side by side. One calm and focused, and the other bursting with power. You did an amazing job bringing him to life with your drawing and colors. Thanks for watching Zoonitoons Art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an epic drawing session. See you next time, and keep training like Goku.